Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my EZSalaryz review, demo and $3,325 bonus now if you want to make some easy money online in passive income and just automate all of it for you so you get checks into your bank account every single month. This is the new software for you, okay? What it does, it creates a membership site for you which people will pay you monthly for, and you have all the training included on how to do it with PLR products and white label products, etc. So you don't have to create any products, you don't have to actually do any work apart of setting it up once, and then you start generating customers paying you monthly. So this is super exciting, and I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about this product, the funnel, and then obviously the competition as well. Okay, so let me share my screen. And first of all, let me just show you some alternatives when it comes to creating a membership site, or getting these monthly payments in. The thing that actually my wife uses for having a membership site is Podia, and Podia actually costs $39 per month or $79 per month. Okay, so depending on how many different options you want, the minimum you're gonna have to pay $40 per month. Essentially, if you want to have more courses, additional options, etc., you're gonna have to pay $80 per month. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And I also checked out Fiverr for you. So essentially, you can pay someone else to set up a site like this for yourself, and you're gonna have to pay, in some cases, hundreds of dollars. Okay, so as you can see, this gig says I will create a responsive WordPress membership site, and you're gonna have to pay $250 for it. Okay, another gig, I will develop a functional WordPress membership site. This one is $100, that's 75 euro right here, as you can see, and that's for basic. Okay, we have standard 329 and premium 612. And then the last gig, I will customize WooCommerce membership and blog site, $75, so 75 euro, which is $100 for basic. Then we have standard 188 and premium 279. So if you would like to pay someone else to set it up for you, essentially going to have to spend hundreds of dollars, or you would have to spend money monthly on it, at least $40 per month. And EZSalaryz will be costing you a one-time fee of just, I believe, $27. We're going to talk about the pricing in a second, but I just wanted to show you the sales page and the inside of the members area first. Now, so as you can see, the sales page says, want fast results? Try 60 seconds with 99% automation, no website or techie stuff. EZSalaryz, the world's first salary replacement software. You're just 60 seconds away from generating a salary every month without working every day. Simply click a button to kick your day job to the curb, and as you can see, they have a video right here. You can go through it, 3 simple steps. Essentially, you're going to be getting people to pay you monthly for a membership, and all of this is automated for you. So, if you have a membership for $1 and you have 5,000 customers, that's $5,000 per month. And if you're going to charge $10 times 5,000 customers, that's $50,000 per month. Obviously, you can charge whatever you want per month, and the more customers you have, the better. So in this case, these guys have some proof of charging $37, $67 per customer. So it's totally up to you. Mosh, Bari and Fulton, these are the 2 guys behind this product. And again, EZSalaryz, that's the name of this product. Scrolling down here, so again, 3 steps. You can go through all of this in your own time right here. I just wanted to hit on some key points, some testimonials right here, some bonuses, and obviously you're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever these guys are offering right here on the sales page. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonuses. You're gonna get additional. I'm giving away dozens of bonuses for free to this. Now, 2 different prices. You can see one site license, $29, and unlimited sites will be $27. So comparing to Podia, $39 per month, this is a super low price. Again, $27 one-time price, 30 days money back guarantee, so no risk on your part, and that's essentially it. And right now, let's check out the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like now. a part of the actual membership site creator and everything else, you are getting all the video training. So video training is actually where it gets exciting, because these guys will show you exactly how to start making money with a membership site without having any products. Okay, so as you can see, we have the white label profit plan. This is a PDF, so you can download it. As you can see, this PDF explains exactly how to make money with white label products. So that's only one of your options. Then we have product creation success training. So as you can see, all the videos on how to actually create a product are included as well. So we have the keys to product creation, 10 rules of internet marketing, the 7 arts of internet marketing, product creation, internet marketing, product creation, points of copywriting, numbers that you have to track, potential profit leaks, 5 things to make your product stand out, resources you should have for a digital product, and tips for reselling a PLR course. So all of these videos are included. Then we have a 90 seconds demo. Okay, so once you have all of your videos, PDFs, whatever you want to include in the membership site, you can essentially add all of it to your membership site in 90 seconds, and the demo explains all of this. And by the way, I'm going to have the same exact demo both on my YouTube channel and on my blog if you want to check it out exactly, with all the details. Then we have customers training. Okay, so as you can see, you have getting access to your account, file hosting, importing products from S3, that's the Amazon S3 hosting. You're going to be uploading all of your products to, importing products from Google Drive, adding products manually, adding an autoresponder, adding a payment gateway, and drag and drop rearranging products modules. So this is all the training on how to actually put everything into action. And then as you can see, we have how EZ Salary done for you section works. So we have an MP4 right here as well. So the most important thing you have to remember is that you don't have to actually create any products. You can use PLR and white label courses and products to create your membership, then start charging monthly for it. And these guys will also show you how to actually get clients. So, and now let me show you exactly how the backend works when it comes to adding your content to the membership site. So as you can see, we are on the dashboard right here. We have the revenue through sales, we have number of products sold, we have members of each funnel. So obviously we're gonna have different funnels. So let's check out the funnels right now. So as you can see, we have the create new funnel button. We have all of the funnels that are already created. So we have the review access right here. You can duplicate it, you can edit it, you can delete it, and then we have all the products. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3. You can add as many products as you want, and obviously these products will be linked to the funnel. And what you're going to be selling is a funnel. Then we have the file hosting. So this works with Amazon S3 as we talked about, but also with Google Drive and also with Dropbox. So essentially all you have to do, let's say you're going to grab a PLR course or a white label software, you just have to add it to your Amazon S3 or Google Drive or Dropbox, and then with one click EZ SalaryZ will add all of these files into your membership site, and then you can start selling it. Okay. Then we have the autoresponder. So obviously you can connect your autoresponder if you want to create a list. We have Aweber, Active Campaign, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, GetResponse, all of the biggest one, iContact, Infusionsoft, MailChimp, SendLane, some of these I don't even know, Market Hero, another big one. That's essentially it. So you can build a list this way if you want to. Obviously you don't have to. And then we have transactional emails. So as you can see, you can add transactional emails right here as well. So essentially everything you need to create a fully functioning membership site you can charge people monthly for. And again, you don't even have to create any products, because these guys will show you how to use PLR products and white label products. Everything is included, and once everything is inside, you can start making money. And the most important thing is that this is monthly, this is passive income, this is something you can count on every single month. So it's not like you have to start from scratch every single month. If you already have 10 clients, let's say in March, you're gonna have 10 plus clients in April, etc. Okay, so it keeps on growing, and you don't have to worry about getting down to zero on day one of every single month. Okay, so super exciting. And again, all the video training is included. So right now let's check out all of the upsells. And actually, let me show you all of the upsells right here on my blog. Okay, so as I told you, the unlimited version of the product will be $27, but that will be the early bird price. So make sure to show up early as soon as EZ SalaryZ goes live. And actually, let me tell you before we start that EZ SalaryZ goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on March 6th. Okay, so I'm going to show you all of my bonuses in a second. Right now, let's go through the funnel. As you can see, EZ SalaryZ OTO number 1 will be $97, and this is the unlimited profits edition. So the standard edition comes with some limitations, which is fine to get started with, but if you want to take massive action, you can grab this upsell to get the unlimited version. And again, you can charge whatever you want per month for your customers. So it can be $1, it can be $10, it can be $50, totally up to you. Then we have EZ SalaryZ OTO number 2. We have done for you money machines. Here you're getting 20 hot money sites proven to you, and these will be generating commissions and making you money. Okay, so these are 20 done for you money machines, essentially 20 done for your websites. Then we have EZ SalaryZ OTO number 3, super traffic machine. So obviously, the more traffic you can send to your membership site, the more money you will make. And with this one-time offer, you will explode your traffic and sales. So just additional traffic, $97. EZ SalaryZ OTO number 4, 100x conversion booster, and this will give you additional conversion boosters, like adding a Facebook pixel to your sites. This will enable premium SEO optimization, and also you're going to be able to add countdown timers, exit pop-ups, and much more. Okay, so conversion boosters for your site. And also the last one, we have EZ SalaryZ OTO number 5, license rights 167, and this means that you can sell EZ SalaryZ as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. So me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. You can get 100% commissions, so essentially doubling your profits for just $167. Now guys, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can read through it as well as watching this video right now. But let me show you all of my bonuses. And again, if you want to get all of these bonuses I'm going to mention right now, all you have to do is just pick EZ SalaryZ through my link, and all you have to do it, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description. It will take you directly to the sales page, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you a total of 3 custom made bonuses, especially for this promotion. So these are all about generating traffic. Okay, so obviously, again, the more traffic you can generate, the more money you'll make every single month with your membership site. And this is exactly what you're going to get with these 3 custom made bonuses. You're also going to get a total of 3 done for you courses with full PLR. Okay, so obviously these guys will show you exactly how to use PLR, but I'm giving you 3 of my own courses with full PLR rights, which means that you can instantly add it to your membership site. These are W's of the Day awarded products. Okay, so this is not some PLR I rehashed. This is actually products I created myself, and I'm giving you full PLR to all 3 of these. Okay, I'm also going to give you 49 done for you emails. These are email campaigns, so you're getting 7 separate affiliate marketing promotions, 7 emails in each, which means you're getting a total of 49 done for you emails for email marketing promotions. I'm also going to give you 3 of my top selling Fiverr products, which will allow you to actually use EZ SalaryZ to create a Fiverr gig if you want to and make money this way. As I showed you, you know, some people are charging hundreds of dollars for a gig like this, and obviously you can use EZ SalaryZ to create sites for other people as well, because you're getting unlimited sites license. Okay, so I'm going to give you Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. Again, 3 of my top selling Fiverr courses. And I'm going to throw in a bunch of additional W's of the Day awarded courses. First of all, you're going to get 3-step profit machines, quantum profits, piggyback cash system, fusion, newbie traffic formula, and on top of all this, you're getting a total of 21 additional plugins and software. Okay, so 12, this is a bundle of different WordPress plugins, and on top of all this, you're getting Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin based sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True tags, IS, popbox, sales bar, plugin, and shortcode call to action. And I'm not done, because you are getting my mega bonus on top of all this, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means you're getting a total of $3,325 for free, just as a thank you for picking up EZ Salaryz through my link. And again, just click on one of these blue links from my blog or the first link in the description if you're watching on YouTube. Check out my full written review right here on my blog, and this will include this EZ Salaryz reviews sum up. So first of all, you're going to be creating a recurring passive income super easily. You can launch a fully loaded membership site in 30 seconds. You can automatically fetch products and videos. Get recurring payments monthly. Very important. You're creating a passive income for yourself. One-time price. And obviously you can add thousands of paying members to your site, comparing to Podia and to any other membership site system. You would have to pay monthly. You're getting all of this for a one-time price. Okay, newbie friendly, fully tested, no tech skills, no manual work. Every marketer needs this. No website or hosting needed, because this is something I didn't mention. All hosting is included with this. Okay, and fully cloud-based software. So guys, I really like this product. I actually already created my membership site. You can go to artofmarketingelite.com if you want to check it out, and I actually spent like $800 on it. Okay, so if the EZ Salaryz would be available at that time, I would use this instead of paying a designer and a programmer to having to set it all up. Okay, so I lost $800. I could just use EZ Salaryz, and this is what you can do, because it's an amazing product. One-time price $27. You get unlimited licenses. You can sell these licenses on Fiverr. You can use it for yourself. These guys will show you how to use PLR products. You're getting free full PLR products, W's of the day products, as a part of my bonus package. So make sure to use it. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. Okay, so if you'll decide to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is to go to your purchase history in Warrior Plus, click on your icon on the top right corner right here, go to the purchase history, find EZ Salaryz, and once you're gonna open it, you should see a green button saying access your purchase. Below that button you'll see another button saying bonuses from Art. So if you will pick it up from my link, this is how to claim my bonus. You don't have to send me emails, you don't have to send me receipts. This is all done automatically. And again, EZ Salaryz will be going live at 9 AM Eastern on March 6th. Now guys, I really like this product, especially comparing it to the competition. So Podia, $39 to $79 per month. Fiverr, hundreds of dollars. You're getting EZ Salaryz for $27. One-time price, but remember that's the early bird. After the initial launch period, the price probably will go up, and maybe even it will start being a monthly charge. Okay, so guys, make sure to pick up EZ Salaryz through my link. You're getting all of the bonuses, including all the PLR stuff. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section on YouTube. Please like this video on YouTube as well. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.